MetalForm China officially opened today. As one of the leading manufacturers of CNC metal spinning machines, how could Hoston be absent from such an exhibition? In this exhibition, we exhibited two models: the single roller heavy-duty type model WLH SRS 850 and the double roller heavy-duty type model WLH DRS 850. These two models are very popular. They can realize both normal spinning and stroke spinning of large diameter and thick length. The components of well-known domestic and foreign brands ensure the high efficiency and stability of the machines. Therefore, they can meet the requirements of most customers for spinning machines. At our booth, you can see many spinning samples. These spinning parts are used in various industries, such as lighting, kitchen wheel, automobile, ventilation, aerospace, military, and etc. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc or subscribe our YouTube channel.